Hello, Geek Family. We just got the second of our 3-month subscription to Sensory Theraplay Box. The monthly box is curated by an OT and includes toys and activities that are appropriate for children with developmental delays, sensory issues, and autism spectrum disorders. The items encourage fun sensory play while promoting the development of important sensory motor skills. Sensory Theraplay Box can be found at www.sensorytheraplaybox.com. The site has descriptions of some of the items that are included in the monthly service and details on the plans. The subscription comes in 3 sizes: monthly for $39.95, 3-month for $119.95, and 6-month for $221.70. Please note that shipping is extra. It is also worth noting that they frequently run specials, so you can usually find a 10 or 15% off coupon if you search around. We ordered the 3-month subscription box for our kids for Christmas and are not receiving any compensation for our review of their subscription box service. Our 2 children are both on the autism spectrum and have sensory processing issues. Our son is a sensory seeker and loves activities with high energy, motion, and sensory input. Our daughter is a sensory avoider and prefers activities that promote stress relief, puzzles, and low energy. As you can imagine, the 2 often clash with opposing desires and needs on top of the normal sibling rivalry. Our kids had a mixed reaction to our January box, so let's see what they think about the February 2019 box.
All right, Sam, you can open the box.
I get to choose first, but you opened it. No, you opened it. No, you opened the box.
Okay, Sam picks first, Ander. You get to choose which one you want to play with first. Okay, tell us what it is.
It's a true balance mate. What? This is why I play video games.
So you don't have to have hand-eye coordination?
No, because it does increase your hand-eye coordination. I can't even get one stacked. It is going. Screw its pencil toppers. These lightweight, colorful pencil toppers fit on any size pen or pencil. Well, it kind of spins.
So it's like a fidget spinner, but attached to your pencil?
Not fidget spinners. Fidget spinners, all you do is like go whoosh in the middle. How about me and
So what do you think of that, Sam? Is that?
It's called a Yuga Bowl. It says on here, a unique stress ball made with Yuga Bowl's amazing soft fabric. Squeeze them as much as you like, and it will go back to its original shape and will not break. Use as a hand fidget to keep hands occupied, or squeeze them to maintain focus, attention, or manage anxiety. Stretchy mice and cheese squeeze. Stretch and push the little mice through the holes and pull them back out again. Helps with fine motor coordination, hand strengthening, and is a great stress reliever. Feels like a marshmallow. It feels like slime. Combined with the marshmallow, the block of cheese can also be used without the mice. Simply squeeze the cheese and use it as a hand fidget or squeeze toy. Wait. You made the holes way too small. Hey, pull him out! the Tumble Wonder. Get out. Pretty much. Tumble Wonder. Tumble Wonder. This fun, silly toy is a lot of fun to play with. Place vertically on a flat surface, floor, desk, or table, and give it a little push to set it in motion to watch it tumble, flip, and flip over and over again. Pass back and forth from hand to hand, trying to catch it with each hand. Okay, let's see what the last object is. It is the Usborn Animal Doodle cards. This card deck contains 50 double-sided card animal-themed doodle activities and a quite clean pen. Other cards give more open-ended and nature encouraging more imagination and creativity to be used.
All right, now we've been through the whole box. So we're going to talk about what we like best and what we like least. So Xander, which things do you like the most?
I really like that.
So you like the balancing toy?
And I like this.
You like the doodles?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, Sam, which two things do you like best?
I like this.
Of course you do.
And I also like the cards as well. If there are any of these objects you liked, don't forget to place it in the comment section below.
Okay.
So which things do you like the least? What's the thing? The screw-its? The thing on the pencils? So you don't like those a whole lot. Tell me what you don't like about them.
One, the name.
Okay. I think that's one of the interesting things about them. But alrighty.
And two, they're not very helpful. They don't move a whole lot. All you do is just spin them. And that's it.
But that's the point. It gives you something to fiddle with that's not distracting to someone else.
What don't you like, Xander?
You don't like that? What don't you like about it?
Because you have to it's hard to make it go
It's hard,
it's hard to catch it with one finger.
This is what he's trying to say is it's hard to catch.
I don't know how to.
So, overall, the whole box, is it a good box? Is it just an okay box? It's a good box? 2 thumbs up? Okay.
All 10 points for this.
10 points to Gryffindor.
Like and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell.
And bye-bye. And stay tuned to any more of our videos on Geek Family of 5. Bye.
See ya.
One thing I didn't like about this particular item was the packaging. It took me about 3 minutes with a knife to be able to cut this thing out, so it wasn't exactly the most family-friendly of packaging.
Yeah, I know. Well, while Dad's doing that.
No.
That's right.
While Dad has done that, you mean?
Dad
Dad is the bomb!